Wales is home to around 11 million sheep, and these can produce up to 33,000 tonnes of wool a year. The Welsh sheep is a hardy animal, and this is bred to withstand the harsh conditions of the uplands and mountains of Wales, which make our country so beautiful. But this leads to a coarse wool, which is more suited for carpets rather than sweaters and suits. The lack of demand for the wool means that prices are depressed, and this means that farmers are being paid less than the cost of shearing. One alternative use for wool is in insulation, both in housing and in packaging. The use of wool insulation provides warmth, but also a twofold reduction in carbon emissions. Firstly, by keeping the heat in our homes, but secondly, locking away more carbon than used to make it. It's also beneficial for our health, taking in water from the air when it's too damp and giving it out when it's too dry, but also taking in and holding pollutants from the air. Certainly, wool provides more than just energy savings. Not only this, wool can be used in packaging, and this can reduce carbon emissions from the transport of temperature-sensitive food and other goods. So, you can see that broadening the use of wool away from the traditional market not only reduces carbon emission of products, but also benefits the farmers by increasing demand and therefore the price of the wool that we grow in Wales.
Cenedl fechan, syniadau mawr. Gwyddonwyr Cymru yn taclo newid hinsawdd.